or 4 classes. 4 weeks. Okay, so next week is going to be the last class, then have a break for 4 weeks. Fadal.
Hadith 682, Imran ibn Husayn radiyallahu anhuma reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, shyness does not bring anything except good. Reported in Bukhari and Muslim. And in the narration of Muslim, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, all of shyness is good.
Yeah. Ikhwani, the word shyness as well, as I said, is not really the right word for the haya. Shyness, modesty maybe is another word, but I'd better say al-haya. The word is haya. Al-haya. Haya, a person can't even show himself because he's got that inside himself telling him, you did wrong. How dare you stare at that person? Well, the person got no haya, he does this thing wrong and he looks at him like that and he doesn't care because he's rude. There's no haya. The person who's haya, shy. You did a mistake, you're shy. If, for example, you're driving, you did something bad to the driver and he's next to you, you don't want to look at him because you know that you made a mistake. That's the haya, prevents you. Al-haya'u kulluhu khayr. Subhanallah. So here this hadith tells us to instruct us to abide ourselves or to get this haya on board of our akhlaq, and that would make the person leave the bad and go to the good. Fadlan, 683.
683, Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reported,